Hello, I'm Philip Stoughton. I'm here at the Scoop Studio at Prod17 2017, and I'm joined by Miles Moreau from KIC. Miles, thanks for stopping by to chat. Let's start just by exploring what's new with KIC and what you brought here to Prod17, because there's a lot of talk here about integrated line solutions, about the whole Industry 4.0 thing.
Right. This year, actually, we've started a new platform of software that sits up at a higher level with the factory. So we can kind of participate in that integrated factory solution. So we have a new product called Vantage, which is a SQL-based software that's accessed via browser and allows the customer to see all the data, the dashboard information of what's going on all their ovens from any location, mobile phone, their desk, anywhere. So we're really excited about that.
Yeah, and I can imagine the customers are too. What kind of information are they able to get there and from that? And does that deliver that data to other parts of the line, other software systems like MES or other areas?
Yeah, we have there's quite a few layers of functionality that give value to the customer. One is just the real-time aspect of what's going on in my line right now. Is production running okay? Are the ovens okay? Is everything running well? And then we have more analytics where we can dive into each production run and give information about that run that tells them if their process is trending good or bad, and then actually share that information out to other systems and interact with the MES, and if the MES for process control or traceability purposes wants the KIC system to act on something, then we can.
Okay, that's perfect. And when you connect to all those others, we're in this phase of trying to figure out exactly how we communicate between machines in terms of standards. You're participating in several of the standards processes, including the launch of Hermes, which I think is today here at the show. Where do you see that trend going, and what impact will that have on this product and your customers?
Well, it's a nice trend to see, because in the past it's always been a struggle to get everyone on the same page as far as data goes and sharing data. So you end up having to do a lot of work for each different customer, or if you're sharing with different machines. And our participation in the last year in both the IPC CFX and Hermes, we've started to structure an architecture in our software where we can kind of plug and play into those systems. So there's kind of a transport protocol for different systems, and then the format of data. So we structured our Vantage and our systems on the line to be able to choose a protocol transport system and a format, so we can quickly interact with any of those systems. And to us, we gain some advantage, because now we can look at our data, we do some analytics that adds value, but now if we can grab someone else's data, compare it, now we have a little bit more intelligence or smarts then that we can then give the customer, hey, not only did this happen, but we saw some things happening around us, and this is the best thing to do on our process. That's where we have our expertise.
Yeah. So it's bringing all that data together along with your domain expertise to get the best outcome. That's really interesting, and that's really that open communication and collaboration is really the way the industry needs to go to deliver solutions to the customers.
Yeah, it's always kind of, at first you're nervous because, okay, I'm giving something of, what my expertise is or what I think is of value, and I'm just giving it away. But in return, if you have a lot of participants, you add the value at a higher level. So then you can say, well, can I play in this game where now I have this combination of data and now add even more value to the customer? And I think that factory-wide, that gives each machine vendor a lot more opportunities to bring something to market that gives the customer something they need.
Yeah, that's excellent. And Miles, I'm sure there'll be more collaboration discussions here this week. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for your time. Thank you.
Thank you.